So here we finish up. Our final piece is to deploy this Bedrock Summary 1. Here on the left, I've gone to RAG with StreamNative plus OpenAI plus Milvus Zilliz, summarize results. The deploy Bedrock Summary 1, here I'm going to go ahead and copy this Pulsar CUDL code. And we'll go ahead and deploy Bedrock Summary 1. So here in the StreamNative UI, Bedrock Summary 1 shows as running. Let's go ahead and trigger this by writing a message to the input topic. It would be input 2. That'll trigger embed 2, then Zilliz search 1, and then Bedrock Summary 1. So here I'm writing the message I like dogs into the input 2 topic. And back in the UI, embed 2 and Zilliz search 1 both show 2 messages now, and Bedrock Summary shows 1. For this example, the output of Bedrock Summary 1 is SUMM1. So let's head to that topic. So here in SUMM1, I'll go to Messages, choose my partition and a subscription. Actually, I'll go to the details. See, we have 8 messages because I've been using these topics for other testing. So partition, subscription, I'll peek at all of them, and we'll take the last one because that's the one that would have been just created. And we'll be able to see what Meta's Llama 3.2 summarized that as, and it says, dogs generally enjoy being taken on walks and come in various breeds. So it's done a very good job here of summarizing the 2 sentences that were returned by the similarity search into 1 sentence.